Welcome to another series. Okay, in today's session, we will be taking examples on counters. We will be discussing 3 example programs on counters, and with that, we will be concluding the counter series. Okay, now let us look at the 3 programs. The 3 programs over here are as follows. Okay, let us look at the first program. A light has to be turned on when a count of 2 is reached, and it should turn off when a count of 4 is reached. Okay, we can implement it by using multiple logics. I will take one simple logic and I will try to implement it. Okay, first I am using a up counter. Okay, I will try to implement this logic by using comparators. Okay, I will implement this logic using this comparators. Okay, let us try to read the program again. A light is to be turned on when a count of 2 is reached. Okay, the light has to be turned off when the count of 4 has reached. Okay, counter comparison functions equal to okay. What I have done is I have taken a counter. This is the input of my counter. This is the reset switch. This is my output. In this program, I am making this output irrelevant. My primary interest is my cumulative value only. Okay, our task is to turn on the light when the count of 2 is reached and turn off the light when the count of 4 is reached. So in order to check the 2 or 4 values, I am using 2 comparative functions. Okay, when this value is equal to 2, then the cumulative value will increase. Okay, I am taking the counter address. In the counter, I am taking the cumulative value as the value. So when the cumulative value is equal to 2, this one will become high. This memory location will become high. Okay, I am taking the counter cumulative value. Okay, I have modified the program. When the cumulative value is greater than or equal to 2, this output will be high. When it is equal to 2, this output will be high. So I am giving addresses over here, M1.1, M1.2, M1.3. M1.3 address that you have taken is the light address. It is the light. Okay, and we need to connect this. Sorry. We need to connect this light address over here. We need to connect the output light to this address over here. I will try to execute the program and show you. Okay, now let us look at the program. I have given pulse signals as the input to the counter. The cumulative value initially was 0 and it has increased to 1. When I have given another pulse signal as the input, the cumulative value has become equal to 2 and the light will start to glow. Okay. When I have given another pulse signal, the cumulative value is 3 and the light is high. Okay. When I have given another pulse signal as the input, when I have given another pulse signal as the input, the cumulative value has become equal to 4, which makes the second condition high and the light is turned off. So this is how we implement the first program. Okay, I hope everyone has understood. Now let us look at the second program. Write a write a ladder logic program which turns on the light for 5 seconds when the count of 4 is reached. So here we need to use a timer and a counter and we need to implement the logic. Okay. When a count of 4 has reached, the light should be turned on for 5 seconds. Okay, when the count of 4 is reached, this one will be made high. Next, we need to implement a timer. The time required is 5 seconds. So, I have given preset time of 5 seconds over here. M2.0, I am giving the address as the input for the input. M2.1 is the reset. The output is M2.2. M2.2. The same will be given as the input over here, M2.2. M2.3, M2.3, this is our output light. Okay, now let us try to implement this program. Okay, first initially you can observe that the output light is low. Okay, when the count of 4 has reached, the light should glow for 5 seconds and it should turn off. That is our task. Okay, I am giving pulse signals as the input for my counter. When the first pulse signal is given, the cumulative value is 1. When the second pulse signal is given, the cumulative value is equal to 2. When the third pulse signal is given, the cumulative value is equal to 3. When the fourth pulse signal is given, the cumulative value has become equal to 4 and the output is high. After 5 seconds, the output has become low. What we have done is, we have taken on timer. In the on timer, when the input is given, after 5 seconds only the output will be high. So I have taken that logic to turn off the light after 5 seconds. So that I hope you have understood the logic. You can try from the third programming, and the solution for the third programming will be given in the description of this video. Okay, thank you.
Like, share, comment, and subscribe VNR Digital Learning Resource YouTube channel.